Good afternoon, it is Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here, which is a 2016. It is a Honda Civic. This is a i-DTEC model, and it is what's called a sport model. If there's any information you'd like in this particular car, please do give me a call. Brian is my name, 086-843-1945. We are a garage in Kildare, so we do Hyundai and Honda and also Mercedes as well. So this car, we actually sold it brand spanking new. It has had one owner, and it's got a full dealer service history with ourselves. And I like this one a lot because it has an upgrade set of wheels. In white, I think these are a really eye-catching looking car. But from the factory, they do come with a 16-inch alloy wheel. And because the car is so aggressive and sporty, I think it really actually needs the 17s to make it look as aggressive as this one does. So, looking at the front of the car, at the very start, we have these nice projector headlights, big parking light with daytime running light along through there. Sport actually has the nice chrome surround around the fog lamp. There's a front parking sensor. This car's only in, so we haven't actually cleaned it yet or anything like that. Coming down along the front, and you'll see what I mean in a minute, this black, the black and white contrasts really well. So black along the grille, black along the bottom grille, but coming around, see the way the arch liners are black and the wheels are black. Those wheels are that's just a little bit of glue on the wheels. They're brand spanking new, so they're unmarked, because we've just literally upgraded those wheels. We also put a good set of Bridgestone tyres on the wheels as well, so there's going to be good grip from them. Moving down the side, the car, as you see, is colour coded all the way, hidden door handle up along the top, which makes it look quite sporty. And I like on these ones, you have this little protruding area here, just gives it a little bit of a line for your eye can follow. It proves the shape of the car overall. So, round to the back of the car, still have the theme of black along the diffuser, and I just think the black on the front, the black on the back, and the black on the wheels all come together very well. The rear tail lights are a nice LED. There is also rear parking sensors along the back of that car, and again, condition all the way around is quite nice. Previous owners, as I was saying to you, kept a full dealer service history properly through our garage. It's just going through our workshop to get serviced, and as you can see, it's got 4 brand new tyres because we've upgraded the wheels overall. In terms of other features on these cars, so the lights actually are automatic, so when it gets dark they obviously come on themselves, or similarly when you go to get in or out of the car, once you lock and unlock, the lights will come on. What I was going to show you here though is watch the windows. So from the key I could bring the windows down, or similarly with the key, wing mirrors and windows retract. So that's pretty cool. That engine is a really good engine. So it's a 1.6, it's 120 horsepower, but it's 300 newton meters of torque. So there's lots and lots of get up and go in those engines. Just going to turn the lights for a sec. Really good. It's a torquey engine, because we sell lots of kind of 1.6 diesel cars, and this is one of the better accelerating ones. Diesel cars in around that size, they're good, they're functional, but they can be pretty damn boring to drive. So what I like about these ones, there's good torque. When you put your foot down, there's a nice bit of power. Don't take my word for it, come drive the car and you'll see yourself. I love those wheels, it just makes such a difference. The car so badly needed those wheels when it came from the factory, but one of the reasons was they put on the 16-inch wheels to get lower emissions kind of ratings and stuff like that, but they look so much nicer when the 17s are on it. It just sets off the rest of the shape of the car. Anywho, in terms of the back, even like things the way, that engine, one other thing I was going to say to you, so really good power, but really frugal. They promised 78 miles per gallon, most people did kind of 60 plus miles per gallon very easily. Road tax is €180 for the year. The bottom of the car is actually flat, so there's flat plastics all the way underneath, and the idea is that air flows in the most aerodynamic way possible, and especially that back shape. That's why the spoiler is there, to deflect air in the most aerodynamic way possible, and even these lines help air come off the back of the car in the most aerodynamic way possible, all in the idea of saving fuel. After that, there's a really deep boot in the Civic. Unfortunately, we haven't cleaned this one yet. It's not too bad, but it just needs a good hoover. Up through here on both sides then, if you want to let it down. The rear seats are what's called magic, so I open this door handle. They open at a nice right angle, so it's pretty easy to get in and out of. I can then lift and lock, and the seat then has a tall mode. After that then, those seats are in excellent condition. Rear of this car did not get used too much because the previous owners, a lot of the time, it was either one or the other when they were driving it. 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts. Door card's in excellent condition. Yeah, all good condition. I think on this car is quite nice. Front and rear electrics in through here. Parking sensors front and rear that we saw. And after that then in through the centre. Armrest with the glove box, HDMI and 2 USB connectors. Drinks holders in through here, 12 volt outlet up through there. Car's got, as we were saying, a full service history. I'm just going to start it up here for a sec. So, service history, which is always nice to see on the car, because you know somebody's bothered looking after the car. So all stamped up, all through there, service at the right time. 6 forward gears and a nice gear knob, easy to use, nice throw. Again, you'll see yourself. This one also has a camera to go with those sensors. Heating controls on the driver's side, heating controls on the passenger side. Screen in through there, which is going to give you things like phone information. It's all touch and swipe. Audio information even, and then in through here things like browser, calculator, calendar, all that kind of stuff is up through there as well. Like we're saying, headlights are automated, wipers are automated. We have an economy function over here which reduces how aggressive the cruise control and the air conditioner is. We have cruise control on the steering wheel. Up through here then we got things like our trip information, average speed, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff as well in through there, but the camera doesn't want to focus for some reason, because it's no good. It's not a very good camera. Okay, controls for radio and all that kind of stuff in through here. This was more things like trip information, average speed, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff is in through there. Driver's airbag, passenger airbag, curtain up high, side impact protection airbag. Seats in excellent condition. Again, we haven't cleaned the car yet, so now you're seeing it as exactly how it came in. And similarly with the driver's seat, we have not cleaned that either. What is wrong with this camera? It will not focus. Apologies about this. I'm going to try and refocus it here for a sec. So let's stand back, and I might just have to pause it for a minute. And we're back. So, camera's not playing ball. So there you go. That is a one owner 2016 Honda Civic with a nice 17-inch wheel upgrade. Car, as we were saying, full service history, nice condition throughout, nicely equipped. Really good car to drive in terms of power, but also a really economical car to run. And they're good and reliable as well. Anyway, if you want any information on the car, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945. Car's going to be supplied, serviced, and also with a warranty. Brian's my name. Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare Town, Dublin Road, Kildare. Hopefully this car is of interest. Thanks for taking time to watch.